Dialogue. This dialogue is between a woman and a Centrelink service officer. The woman has recently been made redundant and is seeking information about applying for the job seeker payment. The dialogue begins now. Good morning. Welcome to Centrelink. How can I help you today?
"我上個月冇咗份工，想申請集市據津貼。我有2個仔女同1個按揭。
I'm sorry to hear about your situation. I need to check a few things. What was your last day of employment? Did you receive a redundancy or severance payment?
我最後一日係3月15號。我收到4個禮拜嘅遣散費，同埋未放嘅年假補償。
The redundancy payment will affect your waiting period. With 4 weeks redundancy, there will be a waiting period before payments start. However, it's important to apply straight away to start the clock running.
"咁即係喺等候期間我咩都攞唔到？我好擔心我嘅按揭還款。
Since you have children, you may be eligible for Family Tax Benefit Part A during the waiting period. If you're in serious financial hardship, you can also apply for an emergency payment.
"申請需要咩文件啊？
You'll need identification, a driver's license or passport, your bank account details, a separation certificate from your former employer, and your income tax return. Do you have a MyGov account?
"我有。我可唔可以網上完成個申請啊？帶住啲細路，好難嚟好多次。
Yes, you can complete most of it through MyGov. I'll help you set it up today. I also need to explain the waiting period. There may be a 1-week wait before payments start.
多謝。我以為要自己一個人捱過去，而家知道有支援，真係鬆一口氣。